How to block email using spam filters in DirectAdmin. You can block spam emails from specific email addresses using spam filters. Let's see how you can do this. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Email Manager section, click Spam Filters. It is the Email Filters or Spam Filters interface, where we can create different types of filters for incoming emails. Click to open the drop-down list of different options for blocking emails. To block email from a specific email address, select the email option. Now enter the email address in the text input box provided. Click Block. The entered email address has been blocked. You can similarly block more email addresses. Just enter the email address and click Block. Blocked email addresses are listed here. Now you know how to block email addresses. Thank you for watching.